This is step by step how you can find job seekers anywhere in the world. There's a millions of people searching for job, but this is how you can find them if you have a job to give. Step one, you have to choose country, maybe your own country or other country. We are going to choose find the United States. Let's say you are searching for people that are searching for job in the United States. Select it. You have to select the United States here. Then you have to select region. Which region in the United States is it? Alabama, Alaska, and Arizona. I'm going to go Arizona on this. Then city on Arizona. Which city? You can see show law city. I'm going to go to let's say let's go show law city. If you want, you can type searching keyword if you want. But at this point, I'm not going to search by keyword. I just want to see everyone that's searching for a job in this state. So I'm going to click search. So what happened is going to refer us to Christ list. Christ list is where people list jobs. And you can see what we have here. You can see female need $100 to cover a bill a week. You can see the only marketing metric that truly matters. You can see everybody posting 12 years job experience, civic engineer, private, blah blah blah, labor in need of work. They all need job. Okay, they all need job. So they are job seekers. Let's say you want to contact this person. Just click his title, and you can see his post here. So he's doing his ad and what he want. You can read. I'm looking for work doing blah blah blah. You can see this. So after you read it, there's a way you can respond. Go ahead and click this respond. Then you can click respond his email. You can click if you click this meaning you're going to respond this on Gmail. You can respond him on his Gmail to write him direct email with your Gmail to Gmail. Okay. You can see you can compose your message here and send to this person. And make sure that you do not change anything in this because this tell Google that hey, I'm sending this person message based on what he posts on internet. That makes you not being a spammer, okay? Because Crashly Crashlyst always already tag his domain, his email under their domain. Mean you are safe to send message to this guy and try to give him job. Doesn't end there. You can always copy to send on third party. Use Outlook and Yahoo to send this person message, or you can go ahead, go back. You can send message one after another. If you go back, you can always send this person message also. You can click reply, and you can reply his email also. You can reply his post, his job post. Okay, you can reply. If you want another person, you go back. That's where you can reply these people line by line. Okay, looking for side work. You can see looking for a job that start at 10 a.m. So everybody has their own ways. They are searching for job here. You can see this one, pressure washer. You can see need a job super bad. You can see this guy need job as fast as possible. You can click on it. So these people on this crash list, they are real people. They're talented, and you can offer them job. If you have job for them, you can find perfect person to work for you on crash list. You can see, you can always contact them here by responding their job post day by day. Let's say you respond to 10 people today, if you are in chance to land people job or help people. You can still search other countries if you like. On the email world, you can always search other countries. And that is how to use this application.